Well, take a look at this neat little thing I picked up. It's been quite a while since I've had an MG. This is a 1976 MG Midget. It's got a little 1.5 liter four-cylinder engine. It's a manual transmission, and it's pretty bare bones. Pretty cool little convertible car that had a decently long run of manufacture back in the day. The previous version that I had was the one that came out before the ugly rubber bumpers. So, wish we didn't have to deal with those, but pretty cool car overall and in really good shape. This thing was stored indoors for most of its life, and for the past 10 years has been sitting in a garage where I picked it up. So it's got a couple upgrades that are a little bit different than what it would have came with. It has a Weber carb conversion, a different intake, and an electric fuel pump, and it also has electronic ignition, so they ditched the points at some stage. But yeah, really a cool looking car. Looks like they replaced the top at some point before it sat, so it's in pretty good shape, besides being a little bit tight. Needs to sit out in the sun for a couple days, but it should clean up really nice. I'm excited to get working on it. I have a bunch of spare parts. I have the plastics for the column and all that kind of stuff, so need to go through all these boxes over here and see what I got. I don't know if I'll do too many videos on this car, but I just wanted to show you guys a recent project acquisition. If you do want to see MG Midget stuff, let me know. Maybe I can do a couple videos on fixing this thing and the process of getting it road ready.